Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. They use their skills to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. This involves a deep understanding of systems, networks, and software, as well as the creativity to think like an attacker. Ethical hackers are always learning, always adapting, and always on the lookout for new threats. This essay will introduce you to powerful hacking tools available on Termux. Termux is a versatile Android app that brings the power of a Linux environment to your mobile device, making it a valuable tool for ethical hackers on the go. Termux is an Android app that provides a Linux-like environment on your mobile device. With Termux, you can run a variety of hacking tools and scripts, making it an essential part of any ethical hacker's toolkit. It's like having a portable hacking lab in your pocket. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of penetration testing, network auditing, and vulnerability assessment. These are the core activities of ethical hacking, each requiring a unique set of skills and tools. Through penetration testing, ethical hackers simulate attacks to find and fix vulnerabilities. Network auditing involves a thorough examination of network security, while vulnerability assessment identifies potential weaknesses in systems. Termux is a game changer for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Imagine having a portable hacking lab in your pocket. That's what Termux offers. Termux provides a terminal emulator and access to a vast collection of Linux packages. This means you can install and run powerful hacking tools directly on your Android device. No need for bulky laptops or complex setups. With Termux, you can perform penetration testing, network analysis, and even run scripts on the go. The app supports a wide range of programming languages, including Python, Ruby, and Perl, making it versatile for various hacking tasks. Termux puts the power of ethical hacking at your fingertips, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in a coffee shop, on a train, or just lounging at home, your mobile device becomes a powerful tool. The app is not just for professionals. It's also a fantastic learning platform for beginners. You can practice coding, learn about cybersecurity, and experiment with different tools without needing a full-fledged computer setup. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Termux provides a convenient and accessible platform to explore the world of cybersecurity. It's a must-have for anyone serious about hacking and cybersecurity. Let's start with a heavy hitter, Metasploit. This framework is a cornerstone of penetration testing. Metasploit provides a vast library of exploits, payloads, and tools. Think of it as a comprehensive toolkit for ethical hackers. With Metasploit, you can simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. It allows you to exploit weaknesses just like a malicious hacker would, but with the goal of fixing them. Metasploit is a powerful ally in the fight against cybercrime. It empowers ethical hackers to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Next up is Nmap, a network mapper extraordinaire. Nmap is like having X-ray vision for your network. It allows you to discover hosts, services, and vulnerabilities on a network. Think of it as reconnaissance for ethical hackers. Nmap helps you understand the layout of a network and identify potential weak points. This information is crucial for securing systems and preventing attacks. With Nmap, you can gain valuable insights into your network's security posture. Section 5. Hydra, cracking the code of passwords. Passwords are the gatekeepers of our digital lives. They protect our personal information, financial data, and even our identities. Every time we log into an account, we rely on these strings of characters to keep our information safe. But what if those gates are easily breached? What if the very passwords we trust can be cracked in a matter of minutes or even seconds? This is where the real challenge lies. Hydra enters the scene as a powerful password cracking tool. It's designed to test the strength of passwords by attempting to break them using various techniques. Hydra uses brute force techniques to guess passwords. This means it systematically tries every possible combination of characters until it finds the correct one. It's a method that can be incredibly effective, especially against weak passwords. It tries different combinations of characters until it finds the right one. This process can be time-consuming, but with enough computing power, even complex passwords can be cracked. Ethical hackers use Hydra to test the strength of passwords and identify weak links in security. By simulating attacks, they can find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do. By understanding how easily passwords can be cracked, you can implement stronger security measures. This includes using longer passwords, incorporating special characters, and avoiding common words or phrases. Remember, strong and unique passwords are essential for protecting your online accounts. Regularly updating your passwords and using two-factor authentication can add an extra layer of security. Stay vigilant and keep your digital life secure. Section 6, SQLmap, navigating the labyrinth of SQL injection. Databases are the heart of many applications. SQL injection, or SQLi, is a technique that exploits vulnerabilities in web applications to gain unauthorized access to databases. SQLmap is a specialized tool designed to detect and exploit SQLi vulnerabilities. It automates the process of finding and exploiting these weaknesses. Ethical hackers use SQLmap to assess the security of web applications and identify potential data breaches. By understanding how SQLi works, developers can build more secure applications. Section 7, Wireshark, the network traffic detective. Let's dive into the world of network traffic analysis with Wireshark. Wireshark is like a microscope for your network, allowing you to capture and analyze network packets. It provides a detailed breakdown of network conversations, revealing valuable information about network activity. Ethical hackers use Wireshark to troubleshoot network issues, identify security threats, and gain a deeper understanding of network protocols. By analyzing network traffic, you can uncover anomalies and protect your network from malicious activity. Section 8, John the Ripper, a classic password cracker. John the Ripper is another renowned password cracking tool. It's a classic for a reason. Like Hydra, John the Ripper is used to test password strength and identify weak passwords. It employs various techniques, including dictionary attacks and brute force, to crack passwords. Ethical hackers use John the Ripper to assess the security of password hashes and improve password policies. Remember, strong and unique passwords are crucial for defending against unauthorized access. Section 9, Ethical hacking, a responsible approach to cybersecurity. As we've explored these powerful hacking tools, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of ethical hacking. These tools are powerful and can be used for both good and malicious purposes. It's our responsibility to use them ethically and responsibly. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. Respect privacy and confidentiality, and most importantly, use your knowledge to make the digital world a safer place. By embracing ethical hacking principles, we can harness the power of these tools for good.